Towards the end of 2019, we began to catch wind of a virus called Covid-19. The virus originated in Wuhan, China, and it's a strain of the coronavirus within the same viral family of SARS and MERS. However, it is more deadly and more infectious than these viral infections that we have previously dealt with. Currently, a total of 5,300,000 people worldwide have been infected, and approximately 350,000 people have lost their lives due to COVID-19, although 2,100,000 people have recovered. A 100% effective COVID-19 vaccination has not yet been developed. The structure of COVID-19 virus is spherical with many surrounding protrusions which act as its front line. This allows the virus to pierce into human cells, infecting and multiplying within its host. Luckily for us, we have an immune system that protects us from microscopic invaders. Similar to a town which has high, thick, and strong protective walls to shield itself from outside forces, a strong immune system shields its owner. However, a weak immune system, like a weak wall, does not offer much protection to its owner. Every day we encounter viruses and bacteria that are prime and ready to enter our system and infect us. Our immune system is constantly working to protect us from any potential infections and sicknesses. It even creates vaccines inside our body from infections that our system has already been exposed to in order to make sure we don't become reinfected with the same illness. In addition to these natural defenses, modern medicine has produced successful vaccines which have aided in protecting us against diseases like SARS and MERS. In order to boost our immune system, we should take care of our health by doing things such as going to sleep earlier, consuming healthy foods, incorporating exercise into daily routine, thinking more positively, and taking measures to lower our stress. However, the current environment of social distancing has made maintaining good mental health more challenging. It has caused many to take a forced hiatus from their job, reduce working hours, lose income, and completely change the way they interact with others. All these conditions should remind us to reevaluate both our physical and mental health. It's important to discern whether or not we are still healthy during this pandemic. Professor Richard J. Davidson, neuroscientist of University of Wisconsin, conducted an 8-week study designed and developed by the University of Massachusetts Medical Center. The aim was to observe the effects of meditation on the immune system. In his experiment, he took 2 groups of people. One, a control group on a wait list and did not practice meditation. 2, an experimental group which introduced meditation into the routine. Before starting, both groups received influenza vaccinations in order to record the baseline functioning of their immune systems. The experiment had the participants practice meditation 1 hour per day for 6 days per week. After having completed the 8-week study, the participants would get the influenza vaccines again in order to record the change in their immune level. The experiments produced the following results. The participants who practiced meditation every day experienced a significant change in brainwave activity, leading to an increase in the secretion of immune chemicals. This difference was significantly larger in the group that meditated than in groups that did not. This could stand as evidence that meditation can help strengthen the immune system and fight off disease.
We found that 2 months of a mindfulness meditation training program can actually boost your responses to a flu vaccine and make you more resilient in response to exposure to flu virus. We have also found other both endocrine and immune changes that occur with meditation practice. And so these findings are part of a growing corpus of scientific literature that suggests that the changes in the brain that are induced by these meditation practices don't just stop at the brain, but they also affect the body in ways that may actually promote better physical health.
We're not sure how much longer the pandemic will persist. And since we have not yet been able to produce an effective vaccination, we have to take other measures to protect ourselves. These methods could include practicing social distancing, staying at home, continuously washing your hands and sanitizing your environment, thinking and speaking positively, and practicing meditation every day to strengthen our immune system and stay healthy mentally. In this way, we can win the battle against COVID-19.